Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.
Reporting live in this beautiful History of Transport Expo. Talking things Career Corner with my lady. My lady, what is your name and what is it that you do for a living?
Okay, my name is Ofense Geraldine Bossing. I'm a chemical engineer by profession. I've ventured into marine operations. So basically in marine operations, I work with within the South African ports, Durban, Cape Town, Richards Bay, PE and Algoa Bay, whereby I handle port operations from vessel discharging fuel and loading fuel and also bunkering. Bunkering is basically a petrol station.
Wait. You are saying too much. Wait. First of all, you said your education background is what? You qualified?
I'm a chemical engineer.
You're a chemical engineer.
Yes,
and then on your job, what is it specifically that you do?
On my job, specifically what I do, I basically run a petrol station in the ocean.
Wow.
We fuel ships.
Really?
Yes.
That is incredible. How does one to get? Where did you study first?
So I didn't have to study in terms of fueling ships. It's what I learned when I got into the working environment.
Okay.
So definitely I went for a course in Oxford in London to do bunkering.
Wow.
So bunkering, they definitely teach you about how to fuel ships, what kind of fuels do ships need, what kind of ships that come in, and the different kinds of fuels that are there, and the different grades to use to fuel the ships. So that's what we do.
How are you finding your career so far?
I'm finding my career, it's a very good space to be in. Definitely, each and every single day, I learn a lot.
Yes.
As I say that each and every single ship that I've operated differently, and there's something that I have to learn. And I constantly solve challenges and provide solutions in the transport sector.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So if I'm 16 years old and I'm looking at this gorgeous lady, I'm like, yo, what's one Muthusis? And I see myself in her eyes with her words. What can you say to me to motivate me to say, it's possible for you? You can move from the township all the way to across the world working ship fueling. Wow. What can you say?
I think what I can definitely say is that you need to be authentic at all times. Be yourself. Be goal-driven.
Yes.
Set yourself goals that are within your limits and also within what you're passionate about. Don't be getting to be driven in terms of do this, do that. There's so much out there that still needs to be explored, and you need to understand that the future needs you as a young person to come in and provide solutions, and to also be the person that will be able to innovate. You don't constantly have to be the one to say, okay, I'm going to work, I'm going to do this. Sometimes you might be the solution. And that's definitely what I want to encourage youngsters to say, that the world is your oyster. Each and every single thing, it's given to you. It's up to you in terms of how you use it to make your life the best, and to constantly explore, be teachable, be willing to learn.
Yes.
Because we learn each and every single time.
Yes.
Whether you're old, whether you're young, whether you what old age, you constantly need to learn. And if you have that spirit for learning, you'll get to be empowered and you'll get to grow as a person.
Number one. Thank you so much, Ma, for that.
Thank you.
So much for the information. In Zulu, we have a saying that says, Zulu, meaning those with ears have heard you. So shouting out what we are doing here, the kids love this part. Doing our slogan. So fun. So do you mind just saying, Mwah, Prime Stars?
Mwah, Prime Stars.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Cuts. Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.